Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a dill pickle pasta salad. Alright, as you can see in the bowl, I've already got about roughly half a cup of sour cream. To that, I'm going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise. And then to that, you want to add roughly 2 teaspoons worth of pickle juice. And then you want to add a tablespoon of dried dill. And then you want to add a half a teaspoon's worth of dried parsley. And then you want to add about a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Then just grab your spoon and mix everything together. And then let it chill out in the fridge for a little bit. And let's get on to making our pasta. Okay, as you can see, we got our big-ass bowl out here. And I'm going to be shortly adding 1 pound of rotini. Okay, that's 1 pound of rotini pasta. Now, because this is a pasta salad, this is the only time that you blast the pasta with cold water, because you do want to instantly stop the cooking process. Other than that, I never blast it with cold water because all that wonderful starch gets washed right off. But when you're making a cold pasta salad, you don't have much of a choice. Anyway, that's 1 pound of rotini pasta, that wonderful dill dressing that we made. That's 2 cups of chopped dill pickles, 1.5 cups to 2 cups of cheddar cheese, about a tablespoon or a couple tablespoons of fresh dill, and of course a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then basically you just want to grab a spoon and start mixing everything around till everything is well coated. Alrighty. Got ourselves a little bowl and a ladle full, and that's really it. Dill pickle pasta salad. Done.